Starting July 2026, importing apparel into the US is about to change in a big way. Two major regulations are coming into effect. On July 1st, California's SB 707 comes into effect. This new law increases the focus on textile recycling and requires brands selling in California to maintain detailed material and fiber documentation. Then, on July 8th, the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission launches mandatory e-filing. Product safety information can no longer sit in a PDF on your computer. It must be digitally available through the U.S. customs system before your shipment arrives. There is no small business exemption. Whether you're importing 100 garments or 100,000, the same rules apply. These updates make one thing clear. Manufacturing today is not just about producing great garments, it's about compliance, transparency, and complete supply chain documentation. At the NoName company, we don't just manufacture garments. We understand global trade. From production records and material specifications to manufacturing traceability and compliance-ready documentation, we help fashion brands build supply chains that are ready for today's regulatory landscape.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.